Hello and welcome to Tipso preset community. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use our ICO platform and how to buy Tipso token. For first, you will have to sign up into the platform and then you will have to confirm your email account. After you register and fully confirm your email, you can log in. And after you log in, the simple way is just to press buy token now. After you press buy token now, you will see this dashboard where you can choose the currency, what you want to pay in. You can see how much tips you can buy with the money you want, or what bonus you can get. You can choose by fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Few more cryptocurrency will be added, like Bitcoin and USDT. You will have to follow the requirements and add your wallet address before buying, because here it's where we will send you the Tipso tokens. So you can enter in your MetaMask if you use MetaMask and copy your address and then paste it there, and the notification should disappear after you add your wallet. Okay, now you're ready to go. So I want to buy 100 Tipso, and let's see what is come with USD. So with fiat currency, with USD, I can pay via PayPal, with credit card also. And for this tutorial, I will choose to pay with BNB. So after we click make payment, we'll have this. This will have the all information that we need. So we'll have to send the exact amount of BNB into the address that we just copy by clicking the copy button, and make sure that this is the address, because if you send into another address, we can confirm that transaction. And down here you make sure that you enter the address where you have to send that money. You don't really have to send the money from the address where the Tipso will be sent, so this is why we put this there. So you click confirm transaction, and if you pay with crypto, your transaction will be in pending before 3 transactions will be confirmed on the blockchain, and our team will confirm your transaction and send you the tokens. So if you pay with fiat currency, that pending will not be used anymore, because it will confirm instantly, and your Tipso token will be confirmed in your balance and will be sent in your wallet as soon as possible. Thank you for the time, and thank you for being the first Tipso token investors.